Error resolution, expense report notifications. If you are receiving email notifications about required expense reports pertaining to a recent trip you may have taken, but you have nothing to expense, let's take the steps to resolve those notifications. As you can see here, I have an approved travel request. In this example, I will not be expensing anything against this trip. That is either because it will be funded through an outside source like Research Foundation, another auxiliary such as Associated Students, or I will not be claiming any reimbursement and will not be reconciling any expenses against this request. For those two reasons, let's go up into our right-hand corner and close the request. This will archive the request, and you'll still be able to view its record in your archived request page. Note that if you cancel the request, it will be as if this trip was never taken and it was never intended to be submitted in the first place. Please only select the close request option for these reasons. Once you've closed the request, the email notifications requiring you to submit an expense report against this request will cease. Thank you for watching.